Boost is one of Adidas's premier midsole cushioning technologies. It has a very high energy return, and it's made up of thousands of thermoplastic polyurethane pellets fused together in a mold. Since we first released Boost, we've been working constantly to develop it further to bring new performance and comfort benefits for our athletes. We had a brainstorming session where we were discussing all sorts of crazy, provocative questions. One of them was, what would we do if we didn't have gravity? So that's where our mindset shifted a little bit, and we started to come up with these new experiments that could inform some of our work on Earth. In this investigation, we'll be experimenting with the Boost mold filling process. We have a transparent mold and two different colors of particles, so we can track them and see where they end up in the mold. Without gravity, we can make better observations of the factors that we can control on Earth and unlock new capabilities within our manufacturing processes to improve our materials and our products for our athletes. One of the great parts of my job is the potential to always be surprised, and that's another exciting thing about working on the ISS.